Well, welcome back to Channel Run. Today I'm going to be working on some string lights, LED string lights. A friend of mine got these for Christmas and he just now took them out of the box and they do not work. So he gave them to me, wanted to know if I wanted them for parts. Well, there's really not much for parts here. So I took them and it's been a while, so I thought I'd go ahead and dig into this. And come to find out, there's nothing wrong with these. The problem with it is the bulb sockets themselves are just too tight and you need to really crank down on these bulbs. And how I figured that out is when I plugged them in, obviously nothing came on. So the first thing I thought, well, I'll just cut off this male end here and just put a new male plug on it. But before I did that, I noticed on the other end of it, there's a female end. So I quickly decided, well, you know what? Let's test that. Let's see if that works. So I plugged in a jigsaw, and it works. So I know I'm getting some power. And that's when I decided to take one of the bulbs out and look at it. And the tab is up there enough. Obviously, this is plugged in. Do not stick your finger in there. And I said, well, maybe it just needs to be really cranked in. So I just started cranking on it. And sure enough, that's all it was. So I started going through the rest of these. You really got to crank on these things. They're outdoor LEDs, so they have to be tight so the water doesn't get into them. And here we go. The first time I've actually turned them all on here. Hopefully they all work. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so I felt kind of bad that he gave these to me, thinking that they were no good. So I think I'm going to give them back to him, even though I've had them for over a month. And there they go. They're all ready to go, up and going. So if you pick up these lights and you find that they don't work, you just got to crank on these bulbs to get them to go in there, and you should be fine. So not really much of a fix. It's more so just making sure that the bulb is in there. So, well, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Yeah, not bad lights. Maybe we'll keep them.
Yeah, maybe so.
All right.